If you need to print something from the Edge browser in Windows 10, you're in the right place. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to open the print menu in Microsoft Edge so you can print web pages, documents, or any content you're viewing online. This is a simple process, but once you know where to click, it becomes very easy and very fast. If this video helps, please hit like and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials. Let's get started. First, open Microsoft Edge and go to the page you want to print. This could be an article, a recipe, a report, or anything else on the web. Once the page is open, look to the top right corner of the browser window. You'll see the Settings and More button, which is the three-dot menu. Click that button to open the Edge menu. After the menu opens, look for the Print option and click it. This will take you to the Print Preview screen, where you can review how your page will look before sending it to the printer. From here, you can choose your printer, adjust the number of copies, select page range options, and make sure everything looks correct before printing. If the page is too large or not formatted the way you want, you can also check the print settings on this screen. Edge gives you options that help you customize the print job before you finalize it. When you're ready, just click the print button to start printing your page, and that's it. You've now learned how to print in the Edge browser on Windows 10 using the built-in print menu. It only takes a few clicks, and once you've done it once, it becomes second nature. If this tutorial helped you out, make sure to give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next easy tech guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.